Good morning, Year 3. Welcome to Friday's maths lesson. To start off with, have a go on TT Rockstars or hit the button. If you'd rather do the lesson first and have a go on that later, that is absolutely fine. Okay, so that's your starter, a bit of times table practice. Right, today we are going to be consolidating what we've been doing this week, so a mix of add and subtract money today. Okay, so again, same as all week, recognising British notes and coins, using effective methods for addition and subtraction, and being able to explain your working. We're going to be thinking a bit more greater depth and problem solving today. Okay, so you are going to need to explain how you got to some of your answers. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you if this one's add or subtract, so read the sentence. How much money is there all together? From that sentence, how do we know if it's add or subtract? Okay, so the word all together, we know that we're going to be adding. So you've got a partly completed part-whole model there. You've got the two parts. I would like you to work out what the total would be by adding those two parts together. Okay, so press play when you're ready. Let's have a look at those answers. So we've got £1.90 in the left-hand circle and £2.46 in the other. Okay, so if we add the pounds together first, that's 1 add 2 is £3, and then the 90 and the 46 pence is 136 pence. Okay, so I'm going to change that back into pounds and pence, and we can then add all of those bits together, and you've got £4 and 36 pence. So well done if you got it, and remember extra point if you use the pound sign at the beginning. Okay, how about this one? So we've got a bar model. Again, is it add or subtract? Looking at find the total amount of money. What clues in there? Okay, so we've got total. So again, we're adding this one. So you've got two bits of the bar model. We've got some coins and we've got an amount. So what would the total be? Add those two together. Start with the pounds, then do the pence. Pause and come back when you've got an answer. Right, so £5 and 6 pence, because we've got a £2 coin here and £1 here, which gives us 3. The two 50 pence coins gives us another pound. Okay, then we've got 84 pence, add 20, which gives us £1 and 4 pence. Okay, so it's another pound, takes up to £5, and that gives us the last little bit. We've got 2 pence and the 4 pence left over, which is the 6 pence. Okay, so well done if you found that. And again, extra point if you got the pound symbol. Okay, so I'm feeling a bit hungry. I want a hot dog, which is going to cost me £2.50, and a drink, which is £1.75. How much do both items add together, cost together? Okay, so you need to add those two costs. Choose the method you find easiest. So you might want to do a number line, bar model, you choose. Okay, come back when you've got an answer. Okay, so I'm going to add the pounds first. So I've got £2 and £1, which gives me £3. I've then got 50 pence and 75 pence. Okay, so I'm going to add those together. This gives me £1.25. Okay, so that's now £4 and the 25 pence left over. Okay. Right, we're going to use our problem solving skills for this one. So we've got 3 bags of shopping, A, B and C. And we've got to match them with the correct person underneath. Okay, and unfortunately we can't just go, oh, I think Finn would like the lion, and just guess. We do need to work it out. So what I want you to do first is work out the cost of bag A, the cost of bag B and the cost of bag C. Okay, so pause once you've worked out those 3 answers and come back. Okay, so they're giving us clues. So now we know the total amounts, we can use those clues to help us. So Grace says she's spent between £5 and £6. Polly has spent £1 more than Grace. Okay, and Finn has spent less than Polly has. Okay, so we need our 3 costs. So bag A, hopefully you've worked out the total as £4 and 36 pence. Bag B is £5 and 94 pence, and bag C is £6.94. Okay, so let's look at Grace. She spent between £5 and £6. So bag A, £4.36. So has she spent enough? No, so that's not her bag. Okay. Bag B, £5.94. So it's over £5, but less than £6. Okay, so that one's looking promising. And we could just check with the last one, £6.94. So that's too much, isn't it? That's over £6. So Grace's shopping bag is bag B. Polly spent £1 more than Grace. So Grace spent £5.94. So £1 more would be £6.94. So Polly's bag is bag C. Okay, and we're left with one bag, but we will check it. Finn said he spent less than Polly. So £4.36, is that less than Polly's bag? Yeah, so we've matched all three. Okay, so use the clues you've got as well as your addition knowledge to help you solve that problem. Right, Esme is travelling to the seaside for the day. A one-way ticket costs £5.38. A return ticket costs £10.65. Okay, Esme says it's cheaper to buy a return ticket than 2 one-way tickets. So again, we're doing some problem solving here, but remember we're adding and subtracting money. Okay, so look at the costs of the 2 tickets. Do you agree? Is it cheaper to buy a return ticket on its own or 2 one-way tickets? So work out the cost of 2 one-way tickets first of all, and then compare them. Which one is cheaper? So pause it, work it out, and press play when you're ready. Okay, Esme is correct. 2 single tickets would cost £10.76, and that is more than the return ticket. Okay, so it's 11p more. Okay, Holly has £4.75. She spends £2.30. So if she's spending it, she's not going to have it anymore. So we're getting smaller, we're subtracting. Work out how much money she has left. Okay, so you've got the coins on the screen. So you can either cross out or block out the ones that she's spent, or you can work it out on some paper. Okay, let's have a look. So £4, take away the £2 equals £2. Okay, then we've got 75p, take away 30p, which leaves us with 45p. Add those two answers together. She has £2.45 left. Well done if you got it right, and remember you get an extra point if you remembered your pound symbol. Okay, Abigail has £6.12. She spends £3.50. Work out how much money is left. You may need to exchange the pounds for pence, okay, to help you. So we've got £6.12 and she spends £3.50. Okay, so think about the methods you've learnt yesterday. Think about all you know about addition and subtraction and all you know about coins. How are you going to do this? So you might want to draw a number line. You might want to do it on a bar model. You can choose. Okay, so pause it, come back when you're ready with an answer. Okay, so I'm going to exchange that £1 for 10 pences. Okay, because 10 times 10 is 100, so we know that works. Okay, because that'll make it easier to divide these up. So 5 take away 3, £5 take away 3, because I've no longer got that pound, so I'm just using the £5 note, is £2. Okay, and then I've got 112 pence, so this is worth 100, the row of 10s, and the 12 that was already there. Take away 50 equals 62 pence. So then I've got £2.62 left. Right, so similar problem to the one before. Lucas has £9.20, as you can see on the screen. He spends £6.44. How much money does he have left? again, you might want to exchange some of your pounds into pence to help you like we did before. Okay, so pause, have a go and come back for the answer. Okay, so I'm going to exchange one of my pounds for 10 pences. Okay, so I've now got 5, 6, 7, 8 pounds, okay, and 120 pence. So I can then do 8 take away 6, which gives me £2. I could do 120 pence, take away the 44 pence, which gives me 76. And my last step, we need to add those two answers together. Okay, so Lucas has £2 and 76 pence left. Okay, so this problem is set out a little bit differently, but we did use number lines yesterday. So Rob has £8 and 69 pence, which is on the end of our number line. He brought a book and he now has £3.86 left. Okay, so you need to work out how much that book cost. So we've got what he started with at the end, so £8.69, and at the other end of our number line is what he was left with at the end. So we need to work out the difference between the two costs. Okay, so it's up to you if you start at the £8.69 and work backwards, or at the £3.86 and work up. Okay, so let's pause the video, have a go. I do suggest you draw a number line to help you. Okay, if you want to do it in another method, that is absolutely fine. Press play when you're ready to look at the answer. Okay, so I'm going to start at £3.86 and I want to get to the next £1. So I'm going, which is £4. So I'm going to add 14 pence is my first jump. Okay, now I'm at £4. It's a bit easier. Okay, I could do a big jump up to £8. So I've now added another £4. Okay. So now what's left? I'm at £8, so I need to get to £8.69. Okay, well done. So I need to add another 69 pence. So now I can't just leave it there. Go, yeah, look, I've done it. I've done my working out. I do need the answer. So which of these numbers is going to help me get the answer? Okay, so I need to work out the total of all three of my jumps. So 14 pence, add £4, add 69 pence. So those all together is £4.83. So I know that Rob's book cost £4.83. Okay, so Mike had £8.20 and he buys a computer game and he is left with £1.60. Which game did he buy? So I want you to have a think. What method are you going to use to work this out? Because you've got 3 options and you're not just going to guess, you do need to work it out. And can you prove it? Okay, so you might do £8.20, take away £7.40. Okay, and then £8.20, take away the racing game, take away the sports game. Okay, or you could just do £8.20, take away £1.60. And what you're left with will be the cost of one of the games. Okay, so choose which method you want to use and see if you can work out which game he would have brought. Pause it and press play when you're ready. Okay, so £8.20, take away £1.60. Leaves us with £6.60. Okay, so which of those 3 games cost £6.60? Sports game. Well done. Okay, our last one. Rob and Emma are trying to find the difference between £3.20 and £1.75. So Rob has said, I used a number line and the answer is £1.45. Emma has said £3, take away £1 is £2, 120 take away 75 is £4, so the answer is £2.45. Who is wrong? And can you prove it? So who's right, who's wrong, and how do you know? So pause, look at both of their working. Who has gone wrong and why do you know, or how do you know who's right? Okay, press play when you're ready and we'll have a look together. Okay, so Rob and Emma, both using the same question, £3.20 and taking away that £1.75, working out the difference. Okay, let's have a look. So Rob's method gives the correct answer. Emma exchanged £1 for 100 pence, but she forgot to take away that pound from her working, so she included it twice. Okay, so Rob was correct. Well done if you got that. Okay, so for today's lesson, you are going to complete the quiz using a mix of addition and subtraction questions. Some of the ones towards the end are a bit trickier and want more than one answer. They're more greater depth questions, okay? So give them a try, use the methods you've been learning and use which method you are happiest with, okay? We've got one more lesson on money on Monday, and then you are done, and you've been incredible with your money work this week, so well done. Okay, enjoy.